What's up, fellow farm introverts? Today we're going to be making fire cider, which is basically like if you wanted to take something that was immune boosting, anti-inflammatory, good for digestion, energy boosting, filled with antioxidants, and you didn't want to take a million supplements, you just wanted to take one thing, that would be fire cider.
Yep. You forgot incredibly spicy.
I think you mean delicious.
Deliciously spicy. This is one of several things that we take during the winter time to keep ourselves healthy, and today we're going to show you guys how to make it. Let's do this.
For this recipe, we're going to be using a half-gallon mason jar. We are going to add one whole yellow onion. Yellow onions contain sulfur compounds that will enhance immunity and promote detoxification. We are going to start layering our ingredients into our mason jar. Next, we're going to add one whole purple onion. Purple onions are rich in antioxidants and anthocyanins, which help to boost immunity and fight inflammation. And we'll just keep adding our ingredients to our jar as we go. Next, we'll add about 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. Garlic has antimicrobial and antiviral properties to help fight any kind of sickness. I'm just smashing it with the side of the knife. We are going to add 2 to 3 inches of fresh turmeric root, or you could use 1 tablespoon of powdered turmeric. Turmeric is super anti-inflammatory and antioxidant rich. Ginger root is also anti-inflammatory and immune boosting. We're going to add 3 to 4 inches of chopped ginger. We are going to add a couple jalapeno peppers. You could also use cayenne peppers. They help to boost circulation and aid in your metabolism, and they help clear sinuses and reduce inflammation. You could wear gloves for this, but I like to live dangerously. I also washed my hands really well after this. Next, I went out to my garden to pick some fresh horseradish. Horseradish helps to clear sinuses, improves your respiratory health, and enhances circulation. I'm going to add an orange and a lemon for that little boost of vitamin C and for the flavor. I'm going to add a couple sticks of cinnamon because they are anti-inflammatory, have antioxidants, and aid in digestion, basically a lot of good stuff. I am also adding a tablespoon of black peppercorns because they really boost the nutrient absorption, especially of turmeric. Lastly, I'm going to add a quart of raw apple cider vinegar with the mother. That is the base of fire cider. It helps to extract the medicinal properties of all the other ingredients. You're going to fill your jar all the way up so that all your ingredients are submerged. You're going to cover your jar with a non-metallic lid and let it steep in a cool, dark place for 2 to 4 weeks, shaking it every day. After that, you'll strain it through a cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer. You can add in a half cup of raw honey or more to taste if you like, but I like it just straight and spicy. You can store it in your fridge and take about a tablespoon a day, or if you're feeling under the weather.
All right, babe. Let's see what you put together. This smells extremely spicy. By the way, do not do the big sniff right over top of these bad boys. Like, do the chemistry class, like.
Who does the big sniff?
You know, you don't want to lose some nose hairs.
You could afford to lose them.
Well, thanks for that. Here's to your health and my nose hairs. Oh, I love it.
It's good.
Why are you making it, babe?
I don't know.
It's so good. We're so healthy.
This is the only thing we use shot glasses for now.
That's true. I have a bad association with it. I mean, a good association with it. I'm tearing up. All right, we'll see you next time on the Farm Trippers.